In 1993, intense resistance in the Narmada Valley and an international campaign forced the World Bank to withdraw from the project.
बाबा तुम छोड़ो, अरे काम तुम छोड़ो, हमारी बहन है के बात है, चलो याला क्या है, याला बरोबर, पहले कड़े, इकडे इकडे वाला ना, टमाटर खाली, याला तिकडे, टमाटर खाली का, केना क्या तो भाई टमाटर काम करो,
A loan granted, a loan taken back, but the damage had been done. The funding of the Sardar Sarovar was now taken over by the government, and work began on the other dams on the river. Land for land, black cotton soil manufactured for the displaced of another dam on the Narmada. On grazing land that's used by the poorest of the village, a resettlement site is prepared for the Maheshwar Dam.
ये जमीन काली मिट्टी इसके ऊपर डाली है, 2 या 3 इंची मिट्टी डली हुई है इसमें। ये खोद के देखिए। अब ये ज़मीन के ऊपर अब ये काली ज़मीन कहाँ से बन गई है, ये पूरी आ गई है। ये मट्टी ये डाल के दूसरे जलूद और सुलगांव वालों को देने के लिए ये ज़मीन बना रहे हैं। ये पट्टे की ज़मीन है समाज वालों की, हरिजन आदिवासियों की, तो उनको जबरन लेके और ये सुलगांव और ये जलूद वालों को यहाँ ज़मीन देंगे, ज़मीन के बदले ज़मीन की। अब ये गांव वाले नहीं बोल रहे कि हम तो ऐसी ज़मीन लेने को तैयार नहीं है।
It's a familiar story, this time with a new twist. For this was the 1990s, the decade of economic reform. The Maheshwar Dam became the first privately promoted dam in the Narmada Valley.
आइए हमको याद है तुम्हारी जो हम समर्थन करेंगे।
धारो पानी निरमल कल कल बहतो जाय रे मारे वा धारो पानी निरमल कल बहतो जाय रे मन रबदा धारो
In a changing world, as the old economic structures are rapidly dismantled, you can sense the new forces at the door. The new force is global capital, crisscrossing the world looking for opportunity and alliances.
कोई बांध रहा क्या बांध रहा
The new alliances first push the weakest off the negotiating table. The landless, 25,000 people, small farmers, ferrymen, fisherfolk and sand quarriers. They don't show up in government records. There's no provision to resettle them.
तुम्हारी फोटो ले रहा है पीछे.
Access to capital, more efficiency, less corruption. By the time it gets to the submergence zone of the Maheshwar Dam, the promise of the free market has become a vicious joke.
And until they ask for an investment guarantee. So the Siemens is really pushing that the export guarantee for this Hippo Parents Bank loan come through. And the German government is in a fix because Siemens is their second largest sort of company. And yet there is so much resistance and there's bad press coverage, and they've looked themselves at the risks involved, the political, legal and other risks involved. And they're at least meant to, conform to some standards of whatever, international standards of human rights. Siemens doesn't care. We told them that, when I'd gone to Germany last year, 6 months ago, and I told them that there's bonded labor on the site. And they said, so what? So I said, well, yes, very senior person. And I said, well, but, aren't you going to use, you're talking about working in international standards. Yeah. So they said, no. So I said, well, even by our national standards, bonded labor is illegal. Yeah.
Sulgaon and Siemens, separated by continents and histories, asymmetrical in scale and power, distant worlds pulled together in an unequal embrace. But the predatory journey of global capital carries its own unexpected contradictions. It also draws in dissent.
हर घाटी अगन लागी है. तू भी लहर हो लहर के संग में, तू भी लहर हो लहर के संग में. लहर को कारज ये बाकी है, लहर को कारज ये बाकी.
जनता चाहेगी वही होगा, और इस महेश्वर बांध को इस महेश्वर की जनता नहीं बल्कि पूरे नर्मदा घाटी की जनता एक साथ कंधा से कंधा मिलाकर एक दूसरे का सहयोग देते हुए इसको पूरी तरह से बंद कर देगी. ये हमारी घोषणा है. नर्मदा घाटी का एक किनारा नहीं छोड़ेंगे, नर्मदा घाटी का एक किनारा नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
दिने खत